Hello, this is the question of 25th May 2025 pre-test for UPSC. First question, number 1. With reference to investment, consider the following: bonds, hedge funds, stocks, venture capital. How many of the above are treated as alternative investment funds? The only 2 is true. That is why the answer will be B. Number 2 question. Which of the following are the sources of income for the Reserve Bank of India? Buying and selling government bonds, correct. Buying and selling foreign currency, correct. Pension fund management, not correct. Lending to private companies, not correct. Printing and distributing currency notes. That is why the answer will be D. Now number 3. With reference to the Government of India, consider the following information. First, organization. Second, some of its functions. And third, it works under. The number 1, Directorate of Enforcement. The enforcement of the Fugitive Economic Offenders Act 2018, and it works under Internal Security Division 1, Division 1st, Ministry of Home Affairs. Number 2, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence enforces the provisions of the Customs Act 1962, and it works under Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. Number 3, Director General of Systems and Data Management. It functions carrying out big data analysis to assist tax offices for better policy and nabbing tax evaders. And it works under Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance. And only 2 answers matchings are correct. How many above rows is the information correctly matched? Only 2. And that is why the answer will be B. Number 4. Consider the following statements. The Reserve Bank of India mandates all the listed companies in India to submit a business responsibility and sustainability report, BRSR. And in India, a company submitting a BRSR makes disclosures in the report that are largely non-financial in nature. Which of the statements given above are correct? And only 2 will be correct. First is wrong. That is why in India, a company submitting BRSR makes disclosures in the report that are largely non-financial in nature. That is correct. Then will be the answer B, 2 only. Number 5. Consider the following statements. First statement: in India, income from allied agricultural activities like poultry farming and wool rearing in rural areas is exempted from any tax. Number 2 statement: in India, rural agricultural land is not considered a capital asset under the provisions of the Income Tax Act 1961. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above statement? And why? Well, D is correct. It means statement 1 is not correct, but statement 2 is correct. Number 6. Consider the following statements. First, India has joined the Minerals security partnership as a member. Number 2, India is a resource-rich country in all the 30 critical minerals that it has identified. Number 3, the Parliament is in 2023 has amended the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, empowering the central government to exclusively auction mining lease and composite license for certain critical miners. Which of the following statement given above are correct? Number 6 will be 1 and 3 is correct statement. That is why the answer will be C. Number 7. Number 7 is consider the following statements as regards returns from a investment in a company. Generally, bondholders are considered to be relatively at lower risk than stockholders. Number 2 statements, bondholders are lenders to a company whereas stockholders are its owners. Number 3 statements, for repayment purpose bondholders are prioritized over stockholders by a company. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above statement? And B will be the correct answer. It means both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 1 explains statement 2. Number 8, consider the following statements in India. First, in India accounts for a very large portion of all equity option contracts traded globally, thus exhibiting a great boom. Number 2, India's stock market has grown rapidly in the recent past, even overtaking Hong Kong's at some point of time. Number 3, there is no regulatory body either to warn the small investors about the risks of options trading or to act on unregistered financial advisors in this regard. Which of the statements given above are correct? Number 8, 1 and 2 are correct. That will be the answer 1A. Number 9. Consider the following statements. Statement 1, circular economy reduces the emissions of greenhouse gases. Number 2, circular economy reduces the use of raw materials as inputs. Number 3, circular economy reduces wastage in the production process. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? And number 9, A will be the correct answer. Both statements 2 and statement 3 are correct, and both of them explain statement 1. Number 10, consider the following. बंद कर दो, अरे बंद कर दो रे तू.